Hey guys, doing a vlog and I gotta feed my babies before we leave. We're gonna go camping. I got some tilapia, cherries, and blueberries. Malachi's favorite. He gets a little aggressive when I feed him, so he might jump at me. Hey Malachi, got some food for you. Look it.
Whoa!
Hey,
Malachi,
easy.
you don't do that.
God damn, he's being aggressive. I gotta work with him. He's getting bad. You see how he lifted up like that? That's not good. He's being mean.
Malachi, you don't act like that.
I gotta pet him while he eats, just so
Be careful though, babe.
Malachi.
He's eating super aggressively too.
Yeah.
He never ate like that before.
Because I haven't held him this week. And I gotta work with him, like,
pet
keep
him.
him. I'm gonna let him get a little full. Yeah. Oh, wait.
Alright, we'll come back with you.
It just makes me mad and sad. I'm like, man, I want him to be tame, but
Yeah, we gotta do the work.
yep, definitely gotta put work in for sure.
She's been doing good. She hasn't been neglecting him or anything. It just takes a lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of holding, petting, taking him out. And when you're busy working and have other things, it kind of makes it hard. So I suggest if you're gonna get a tegu, make sure you have time to bond with them, and yeah, they need a lot of attention. And if you don't and they bite you, you might have to go to emergency, because they'll definitely, I've seen some videos where they'll grab and they'll actually shake it, like they'll shake and put their, oh yeah, it's not a good bite. And their jaws are super strong too. Oh, yeah. Malachi. It's okay. Good boy. Or good girl. It's alright. Good girl. Good girl. Here you go. Slow it down, baby. You're eating too fast. Dang, you were hungry, huh? There you go. There you go. Damn, he ate that quick, or she ate that quick. Don't trust. We don't trust each other.
Let me take your hands off me. You're trying to eat in peace.
Yeah. All right, we packed up the car. We just got here on the site. We are on number what?
34.
It's a lot more people than the last time that we checked it out. See if we like it. But we're here, our first camping trip together by ourselves for the first day.
Taken, babe.
Oh yeah. We're almost at ours.
Oh yeah, they're leaving tomorrow, I want to say.
32.
Yeah, there's hella
We're-
sun right now, babe.
We're over here. You said heck of sun?
There's hella sun right now, yeah, but we can put it right here in between these trees.
Oh yeah, yeah. Alright, we set up our tent, put our bikes inside because we're gonna go get something to eat and then come back. I love how it has a little area where bugs can't go in, but we could still enjoy being out. So this is our camping spot. Babe's in the car. We got our picnic table, a little fire area, and then family's gonna come tomorrow. And today's my birthday, actually. I didn't mention that. Big 34 today. Yeah, we're gonna have a good time. All right, I'm starving, so we're gonna go get some food. I'll see you guys on the next clip. Day 2 of our camping trip. Sitting out here, enjoying this fresh air. Like, the air over here is so fresh. It feels amazing.
Yeah, so
like,
relaxing.
yeah. We had an amazing sleep. Like, it's a different sleep, my baby was saying. Yeah, I slept so good. I'm gonna drink me a little coffee.
I warmed it up for her this morning. You know, brewed it up for her.
Yeah.
Put some oat milk.
Nice and fresh. She even put double shot.
I know how my baby likes it.
Look at this. Beautiful. The sky is so clear. Our family is coming today. They're leaving about 15 minutes, so they'll get here in like 2 hours or maybe even 3.
Probably 3, yeah.
Yeah, 3
We're
hours.
gonna stop at the store. I love that rock over there too, honey.
Oh yeah, let me get this rock. There was. Oh yeah. I don't know how to flip it
like
with
that,
it.
You
I
probably
don't
can't
even
see
know
it.
if I can see it.
It's okay.
I can't even zoom in on it.
You gotta do the other way, that's it.
Yeah. Oh. All right. We'll see you on the next clip. Charging up our phones. Oh, they're here, baby. Gotcha. Did I trick you?
For less than a millisecond. Because I just checked Corinne's location. And they're an hour and a half away.
Okay.
And we still have to stop at Walmart.
Yeah, you got me. Still enjoying this beautiful view. Having to charge our phones. I don't even know what percentage mine is in. It's 2 o'clock. We're gonna snack on some food and then maybe go bike ride around.
Do you have it only on me?
Huh? Only on you. It's the best view of the camping trip.
Oh, this car is dirty. Let me give you a better view. Just like,
This car is filthy.
yeah.
Starting to get a little warm. Oh, look at this girl's playing. Whoa! Get him!
What are you doing? Go, go, go! Oh shit, can I just see a snake there?
A snake? Where?
I could have sworn I saw a tail go like this.
There's a lizard.
Oh, the lizard. It's probably the lizard.
I want to see a snake.
Heck no. Not a wild
It'll probably
snake.
be like a rattlesnake or something. Our family should be here shortly, so we're gonna blow up some water balloons and get them when they least expect it. So stay tuned for people getting mad. We put some trail mix on the table for the squirrels, and here he found them.
Oh, they even eat the raisins. Look, they eat them right then and there.
You said he didn't eat the
Yeah,
raisin?
he did.
Oh.
He ate it right then and there. The nuts he's gonna save for later, I think.
Dang, he ate them quick. I got some there
On the top
of the
they have
table.
those.
Look at them all
Aw.
happy.
He's like, I did it. Mission
We
accomplished.
scored. There's the other one over there.
There's more.
See if he comes and gets the other ones. So look it. Come on. Come on, there's more. So cute. Look at his little cheeks. Here comes the other one. Family just arrived. They brought their bikes so we could go bike riding. They're gonna come down. They got some speed too. It's a birthday girl, Corinne. He's
Good, I had the opportunity to just like but I did that. All over them.
Don't get me.
Why are you recording?
Because.
You're not moving? Okay, here it goes.
Oh my god.
Oh shit!
Oh, you're a butter!
Baby!
It's coming.
You got the paper all wet.
Well, I already know if I throw it at you, it's not gonna fly.
Look at this big bazooka.
Oh, you got the big one?
Here it comes.
Don't do it.
Ready?
Babe, I'm allergic to water.
I'm going to.
Baby, you got the bike.
No, I didn't.
That's brand new too. They're pissed.
No, it's just a little squirt. Just a little splash. How's it feel, Dad?
She's like, hurry up. Oh, that's a good one. She don't want to.
Okay, you guys stand together. Double whammy.
Okay. You have to squeeze it before you throw it.
Yeah.
But you gotta get closer, babe.
Wait, hold on.
Get closer.
1, 2.
Oh, that's a good one. We went to, they have like a little lake that looks like a beach here at Folsom Lake. Babe's gonna put her feet in. It's cold? Yeah.
Both hands.
The water looks so nice, so calm.
We could play baseball. Hey, you better knock my head off.
Swing and a miss. The sun's about to go down, so we're about to watch the sunset. Beautiful.
Maybe this is perfect because we won't fall. It's not scary, like you won't fall in or anything. Oh,
What do you
that's
mean?
good, Mama. Like
With the paddleboard?
so
Oh.
like if it fall off, you just like,
Oh, nice.
see
Yeah.
how, remember how like far it went down?
Yeah. Yeah, even right now, like it's really calm, so I think, yeah, it's gonna be perfect for the paddleboard. Oh, look at your dad is about to go down.
Go straight in. Okay, babe.
Go, Art!
Oh my gosh. Oh, what if he does a front flip? I'm scared.
Shit, he's. Oh man,
He
he.
a little freaking thing and he can flip forward.
Oh shoot. Oh, that's good. He went to the side. I thought he was gonna go straight.
See how Dad was splitting sideways? I went down a little street so like if you know how to put his leg in front of me,
Stop.
to like stop me, yeah. And I like ran into his leg. That's why I have the bruise that covered. Oh, how beautiful those dogs are.
Happy birthday! 21 years old. She's about to go to Vegas after this. Just kidding. Beautiful picture right there.
Okay, mama.
With the sun. I gotta do a little screenshot for you. Take it.
After maybe. On the video, excuse me.
Oh yeah. Dang, this is a nice view right here. We're about to go paddle boarding, putting some air in our boards. The wifey looking like a snack. The water looks amazing. Look at this view. Clear sky. Yes. I'm so excited. I love paddleboarding. And we got my babes here. The family's already over there, so they're gonna use one board and me and my babe are gonna use the other board. We'll see you guys in the water. Bye, baby. Camping with my wife and her family. We got the paddleboard going. We're about to go into the water and enjoy this beautiful day. Clear skies. Look at that. My beautiful wife. No, I'm not just kidding. You're at the beach or lake, but it looks like a little miniature beach with the family. Everybody's already in the water. How was it, Corinne? Fun?
It was good, babe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to go back on again?
How to paddle. Huh?
Let's see if Corinne wants to go back again.
You ready?
You guys enjoying yourselves?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a nice spot here too.
You gotta scoot up a little bit, Corinne. You have to scoot up a little bit. No, she scoot back. I said up.
Love you, baby.
Yeah.
The water looks so calm. It's perfect.
Pick it up on you. Who's gonna fall off first?
It's falling first. Glasses. Oh shit, his glasses.
Oh shit.
Oh, they fell off.
Did you get your glasses?
Did he get his glasses?
Oh good, he got it.
You got them?
Oh, okay. Just gotta go help.
That's funny. They probably feel all cool now.
They're both trying to get on at the same time. There you go. He's like, woo!
I got it on video too.
That was good, Dad. Make sure you're recording.
Oh, yeah.
Poor mom.
There you go. There you go. Yeah, they get on pretty easy.
The dad too, huh?
Little baby.
I'm surprised there's only one, like you said, Liz.
Yeah, there's usually more.
What is that worked? That works?
Yeah, just put that whole thing. I have to hold it in the hole. You know the pot, the one that you just pop it open.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just put it right in that one where it pops open and when it fits. I have to hold it in and you just pump it. They said it takes a while though.
Alright. This is gonna be so much better because our freaking mattress needed it. We're gonna sleep good tonight.
I don't want it pumped up too much.
Stupid.
Ah, for real? You didn't know?
You didn't know?
I mean, like,
It didn't get you?
it didn't get you? Oh man, we got Corinne.
Really?
Yeah.
Feels good.
You found me?
What?
Look in there.
Wait, what is that?
What is it?
You guys are lying. You guys are
What?
liar.
What is
Come
it?
and look.
What? I'm scared.
What is it?
Tell him what is
We're
it.
playing a joke.
What? You're scaring me.
Oh,
what is it?
That's huge.
It's fucking
This
fake.
isn't scared.
No! That's different.
Last day today. We're all packing up. I'm having my coffee over there, enjoying the birds. I had a hawk fly right in front of me, eye level right across, walking down this here earlier. It was such a beautiful experience. Let's see if they do willies. I want you guys to see how good they do their willies. Do a willy! That's so sick. Goals. Yeah, beautiful day. A beautiful time here. I wish I could have had you guys come with us in the water, but I didn't want to bring my phone. But I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a nice time camping.
It was so good. So relaxing.
Yeah. Went by too fast, but it was still good at the same time.
Yeah. It was an okay amount of time.
Yeah.
Good amount of time.
Yeah.
Ready to see our babies.
Yeah, I miss my babies. Miss my bed.
Yeah.
And gonna miss this beautiful view. Fresh air too. The fresh air, man, that's the one thing I'm gonna miss. So we gotta take it all in. All this trees, the sun. Oh, where'd you go? I'm gonna run into a pole. A wooden pole, not good. All right, we're gonna stay goodbye. And thank you guys for watching.
Oh my gosh. Go back in the sun.
There we go.
Maybe not.
That was good. Gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank
I
you.
wish I would have took you guys in the water yesterday because that was very nice.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to drop my phone in there. I'll bring my GoPro next time and get some footage.
We could have fell
That-
asleep in the water if we had an anchor.
So beautiful. So beautiful. All right. Thank you guys for watching.
Happy birthday, baby.
And thank you. Mwah. All right. Bye, Zen Warriors. Just came back from camping and these guys are loving us like crazy. They missed us. Nana, you missed us? You crazy hair. I gotta give them haircuts this week. Look at you, buddy. He missed mommy the most. Look at him. You are so cute, buddy. You miss mommy?
Lana's like, me too.
Hey, Lana. Hi, Lana. Hey, pretty girl. Well, thank you, buddy. Mommy loves your kisses. Oh, he missed us. Here, baby. Look at him. Come here, guys. You missed me. Oh, thank you. Buddy, you were just about to show me some love. Come here. Lana's just here. Like, I'll
She's
show
like,
you
I'm right
love.
here.
Oh, I miss my babies. Mwah. Thank you, guys.
Kiss Lana on the face.
Thank you. Lana has a smile.
It's a kiss Lana on the face.
Come here. Mwah. My babies. Yeah, we had a great time. I miss my babies a lot, and they missed us. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Lana's so sweet. She shares the love.